Hello beautiful glam girls, welcome back to another video. So this is gonna be a really fun video all about my favorite rose scented or rose infused, rose themed beauty products, from perfume to linen spray to bubble bath to toner to moisturizer, just so many fun things. I thought this would be a fun different video where I'm sitting and talking to you guys, but it's still about beauty, and these are just things that I've come across. I know there's a ton of beauty products out there that have rose or rose scented or claim to be rose something, but these are just the ones that I've personally come across, that I personally have repurchased multiple times and that I love. So let's get into it before I keep blabbing. Yeah, let's get started. Okay, so let's just talk about this candle first. So this candle is by Bath & Body Works. This is the Rose and Ivy candle. I love it so much. Obviously the packaging is beautiful with that corally pink packaging and the rose gold little accent. So I love that candle so much because it has this really nice, bright, fresh plant rose scent. It just smells very vibrant and fresh, and it's really perfect for the mornings when you're being productive and you want to feel alive and springy, and it's like this great spring cleaning kind of scent. I love it. And Bath & Body Works also has a candle called Just Rose. I'll put it right here for you guys, and if you've seen my hauls, you know I love that candle, and I have purchased both of those candles multiple times. I love it. The Rose and Ivy, which is this one, is a lot brighter and more planty, and then the one that is just plain rose is very soft and just very much smells like fresh roses, and it smells like a spa. Next candle that I absolutely love is this DW Rose Gardenia Rose candle. I love the packaging. First of all, it has that white and pink kind of ombre effect, as well as the rose gold lettering, rose gold cap, and it's just a white candle. This smells so freaking good. I don't know what it is. That gardenia mixed with the rose, it just smells like the ocean. It smells like, well, not the ocean, but it smells like suntan oil, but not in a coconutty way. It smells like self-tanning, suntan oil. Just, oh my god, when I smell it, it just makes me feel like I'm on the beach and I have oil on me and I'm just like soaking up the sun and I'm just enjoying the beach, and it just smells so damn delicious. I need to get like a huge version of this. I've purchased this multiple times for my office, and when I put it on in my office and I'm sitting here working, it just makes me feel like I'm at the beach, and it just gets me in this really great headspace. I love it so much. Okay, next I'm going to talk about perfumes. I only have two here because I wanted to give you guys my absolute favorites. So the first one, if you haven't guessed, is FlowerBomb. This is the most delicious, yummy, sweet smelling floral perfume ever. It smells so freaking good. Also, by the way, someone's car alarm outside will not go off, and I've tried to film this multiple times. I've closed my window, I've done everything I can, guys, and it keeps coming back. So if you hear it, I'm so sorry. Please try to tune it out. I will try to talk louder so you don't hear that over me, but anyway, I'm sorry. So this is just the most delicious kind of grown-up, sexy, sweet fragrance. I mean, it is so enticing, and it's the kind of fragrance that no matter who's wearing it, if you know what it smells like, you smell it on them. I have smelled people and I'm like, I know she's wearing FlowerBomb. It is just so delicious, and it's definitely worth the money. These usually last me a whole year, so for me it's worth the money. I love this perfume so much. It is probably my top favorite, if not second favorite. It is delicious. And then the next one I don't use as often because it is spicy, but I love it when I mix it with something a little sweeter. So I will wear this one frequently for like a night out, but it has to be like a special occasion, and then I sometimes will mix it because it is very spicy. This is the Givenchy Rose Ardente perfume. So this is what it looks like. And this perfume is very pricey. I did not pay for this, so don't think I'm out here balling. I got this for free, which thank you, Givenchy. But it smells really good, and it is a spicy rose. So when you smell it, the first thing you really get is the rose and the chili together. It has literal chili in it. You feel the spiciness like go in your throat. Like you can feel the spiciness in your throat. It's really cool. I personally really like that spiciness. I think it's different. I think it's just like unexpected, and it's very sexy and powerful. Okay, next I'm going to talk about some rose scented facial sprays. So this is actually the Mario Badescu facial spray. So this is the bottle that it comes in, the Mario Badescu spray, and this is the actual spray. The only reason that it's not in its bottle is because I like to use these bottles for alcohol, because alcohol is what I use to clean. And I love this spray so much. It definitely has this really delicious rose smell when you spray it, and I find that it has a little bit of a stickiness to it when you spray and you feel it on your skin, which I like. And I don't know, rose overall is supposed to calm the skin, calm redness, and it just has a lot of different properties that are supposed to help your skin, and I feel like the Badescu one does that. I really like it, and it's really inexpensive. You can get a huge bottle of it for like less than 15 bucks. And then the last spray that I'm really loving right now is the Pearlessence Coconut Rose Hydrating Face Mist. This is just my favorite. The spray bottle on this one is very intense. You get a very, very heavy mist, very, very wet. Like you feel it on your face intensely. Like this is like super, super wet, super hydrating. This one to me feels the most like water. It doesn't feel like a facial spray. It just feels like water, and it doesn't give you much dewiness. It just kind of wets your skin, which I like. It feels more like a facial treatment, and this one has a lot of great ingredients that I feel actually help your skin. And this one is coconut and rose, which I really like. It's super inexpensive. This whole bottle was only $7 at TJ Maxx, so I definitely recommend picking this up. They have it on Amazon. I will leave it linked down below for you guys. I love that it has barely any scent. The coconut rose barely has any scent, which I really like, and I feel like it's more about the skincare with this one. So I use it in my night skincare routine, not just my makeup, and that's what I love about it, that it can be for your makeup or just for skincare, and it just, I don't know, I like that about it. And like I said, it's inexpensive. I like the packaging. It's glass. It's pretty. Next for skincare, you guys know I love this so much. This is the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner with rose fruit extracts. So I use this in my skincare video, which I will put in the cards up here somewhere for you guys. It should be popping up for you to see. And I love this so much. And it's quite, I think it's like $40 for this bottle, but you will not use this bottle in a lifetime. It lasts forever. You can just put it in your hands and just like rub it all over your face, mix it in with your foundation, mix it in with your moisturizer at night or your serum, and just leave it to dry, or you can put it on a cotton pad and then wipe it all over your face. This is a toner that it helps acne scars. It makes your skin look smoother. It just has a lot of different purposes, and I love that you can actually see the actual rose petals inside of the product, and the color itself is a very true rose color. Rose water is not pink. Rose water is usually this rusty color if you make it yourself, which I like that it has like that natural rose look to it, and I just love it. It smells, I don't really feel like it has much of a smell. It has a really nice like natural rose smell, which is not overly sweet. Like when you actually make real rose water, it almost smells gross in a way. It smells planty. It doesn't necessarily smell like delicious roses, which I like that it has like a real kind of smell and a real color, and the rose petals inside of it. It's just a really cool product, and like I said, it lasts forever for that whole bottle. So I really like it. The reviews on the Sephora for that product are really positive, and I think the first review when you go on the website is like, don't think about it twice, buy this. I mean, how do you say no? Next, I have two products here from Pixi, and I love these so much. These are the Pixi Skin Treats, the Rose Flash Bomb Instant Skin Booster and the Rose Caviar Essence, and it's an encapsulated moisture serum. So this is a 3-in-1 moisturizer, primer, and mask, and it is a beautiful little light pink packaging. This is basically like a creamy, light formula, and it is a really cool formula because it is a 3-in-1 primer, mask, and moisturizer. So it has this kind of like balm texture, but it also blends into the skin and kind of soaks into the skin really easily. And it just feels like a really good moisturizer. But then if you put a little bit more, it hydrates. And then if you want to use it under your makeup, it also has the sticky feel to it. So it does have that primer effect where your foundation will stick to it. It's a very, very interesting product. I really like it for like a quick hydrating mask and also a quick moisturizer because it dries very easily, and then you can put other products on top of it for your nighttime routine or for your daytime routine. My only complaint is that the packaging is really little. You get so little product. This is 1.5 fluid ounces, but for the purpose I feel like you need a lot more, but it's a really good product. And then the other one is this Rose Caviar Essence. Now if you watch my skincare video, like I said before, I used this in that video, and this is a really cool product because it's like a moisture serum that has little bits of this encapsulated rose kind of pieces in there. Like it literally is like a clear gel that has little rose kind of encapsulated pieces, as you can see. So when you press down, you get those little pieces that kind of burst and just, you know, melt into the skin. And this is really nice. It's a really thin, hydrating kind of serum moisturizer. It smells really nice and soft. It has a nice rose scent to it, very hydrating. And like I said, I use these in my skincare video. Just some nice little extra skin treats, like it says, and I really enjoy these. These three are all from the same line, the Garnier SkinActive. I wanted to try the whole line since I'm a rose product fanatic. So like I said, the spray is okay. I just don't like the scent, but the cleansing milk, ooh girl, this stuff is amazing. Again, it's a 98% vegan formula, and a 98% naturally derived ingredients with a vegan formula. I love the packaging. I think you get a really nice good amount of product. And again, the smell is a lot nicer, and it has slightly that same shampoo scent as the spray, but this one a lot less, and it's also a lot sweeter, a lot more rosy. It's just a lot more soothing. So it is a rose cleansing milk, and I love the color of it, and I love the way it feels. It literally feels like moisturizer, but it's a cleanser. So it's a cleansing milk, so it doesn't foam up. It's very, very gentle. It's really good for acne prone skin like me. And when I'm breaking out and I need something really gentle on my cysts, because I get cystic acne a lot, so when I need something that's just very gentle and very soothing, this really does the trick. And I just love how it feels on the skin. It cleanses, but it's not harsh. It has just the most soothing feel to it. Like it literally feels like a hydrating moisturizer. It doesn't even feel like a cleanser. It removes makeup and impurities, and it's suitable for all skin types. So I love this. I really recommend it. And then along with that line, there's the Soothing 3-in-1 mask. So I'm not sure if maybe they were inspired by the Pixi 3-in-1 mask, but again, this is the same thing. It's a mask, a hydrator. The 3-in-1 benefits is a day soothing hydrating lotion or cream, and then it's a night cream and as well as a mask. So it's not a primer, but it is supposed to be a hydrating day or night cream as well as a mask. I've used it as a mask and it didn't feel like crazy hydrating or anything over the top, but as a hydrator or a moisturizer, I really liked it. It's a very thick cream, but it doesn't leave your skin feeling oily at all, which I think is really good for all skin types. And you get so much in this big jar, which I really like. I feel like the Pixi one kind of needs to go in that direction. So you can see it's a very thick, hydrating moisturizer, which I really like. And this one again has a very subtle rose scent. I can't say that I've seen like crazy benefits because I haven't used this consistently for that long, but I think if you're looking for an inexpensive, thick, hydrating moisturizer, I would definitely give this a try. I would give the whole line a try. I really, really like the whole line overall, with the exception of that spray with that smell. It's weird. Okay, and then next we have the Fresh Rose Face Mask, and this is also infused with real rose petals. Again, this is expensive. Both these products together, the rose toner and then the rose mask, are like over $100 because this is like a $60-something mask. But guys, it is so amazing. You will not regret it. Again, it has that real rose water color. It's like rusty, and it has like real rose petals in the product. It's a very expensive product, and I would use it lightly. I don't use it that often, but it is such an amazing product. I love this on the days where my skin is feeling super dry, super dull. It just lacks vibrancy. It lacks brightness. It lacks glow. All skin types. It's a unique cooling gel formula with pure rose water and real rose petals that literally melt into the skin. So yeah, it's a soothing. It's just beautiful. Next, I just started using this and I really, really like it. First of all, the packaging is so cool. This is the Herbivore Pink Cloud Rosewater Moisture Cream. Pink Cloud, which you don't want to put a pink cloud on your face. Come on. It's like a very soothing, thick cream, and it's just, oh my god, I love it. So when you rub it in, it doesn't feel super thick. It actually like rubs in more lightweight and creamier than such a thick, the way it looks inside, how thick it is. It doesn't feel like that on the skin. It feels lightweight, and it doesn't have much of a scent. It has like a slightly light floral scent, but again, it has rose water in it, and it's just supposed to hydrate, smooth, brighten, and just be like a nice thick cream. I like to use this at night. Okay, and then next is this Rose and Peony Moisturizing Shower Gel. I love this. So these are two items that I got from like TJ Maxx, Home Goods, like those places you can find so many great home beauty products, stuff like that, that are really inexpensive. So I love this Pecksniff England Rose and Peony moisturizing gel. I love this because it is like lightly scented, has that pretty like floral rosy scent, but you get such a big jar or such a big container of this, and I love to use this as a bubble bath, and it doesn't irritate me, and also makes a really nice sudsy shower gel, and you get so much for such a cheap price. I think this is like less than $10, and who doesn't love the packaging? I mean, it's beautiful. I also love this linen spray. This is just this French linen spray. I don't know the brands, but I love that it's a big, you know, spray bottle, and I like to spray all my, you know, comforter, my pillow. You can spray this on anything that's like material, that's linen. It smells clean and fresh, and I just love that so much. So that's everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that it was interesting, something different, but also fun and girly and still beauty related. I will try to leave as much of the products that I can find for you with a shoppable link down below, if not the exact item, something similar. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and don't forget to stay glam. I'll see you in my next video, and I love you so much. Bye.